Welcome to Content Matrix. In this, we are going to see restricted and off-limits. Secretive locations around the globe. 1. Area 51. Area 51 remains one of the most infamous and heavily guarded military facilities in the United States, perpetuated by a plethora of rumors, urban legends, and myths. This top-secret U.S. Air Force base, nestled in the Nevada desert, operates under a shroud of utmost confidentiality. While it has garnered public attention through media portrayals, including a Netflix movie of the same name, the activities that unfold within its confines remain a subject of speculation and mystery. It is located in Paradise Ranch, Nevada. Cost of penalty for visiting to $32.80. The enigmatic nature of Area 51 has only fueled the curiosity of those intrigued by alien encounters and UFO sightings. However, the penalties for attempting to breach its highly classified perimeter are severe, with fines exceeding $2,000 per violator. The stern measures in place serve as a deterrent against any unauthorized access, preserving the confidentiality of what truly transpires within the walls of this secretive facility. As a result, Area 51 continues to capture the imagination of the public, leaving them to ponder the secrets that lie hidden behind its restricted boundaries. 2. Vatican Secret Archive. Access to the Vatican Secret Archive is an exclusive privilege limited to a select group of scholars aged 75 and above. Even for these academics, entry is granted under strict supervision through an entryway guarded by the Swiss military, adding to the aura of secrecy surrounding the archive. Once authorized, scholars are allowed to study a restricted quota of 3 pre-requested documents per day, highlighting the meticulous control over the dissemination of information from this secretive library. As a unique aspect, the Pope holds ownership of the Vatican Secret Archive throughout his tenure, until either his death or resignation. Upon such an event, ownership seamlessly transfers to his successor, ensuring the continuity of the archive's restricted accessibility and safeguarding its enigmatic contents for generations to come. 3. Little Hall Pond Cay. Pulled away from prying eyes. Little Hall's Pond Cay is a privately owned island that remains strictly off-limits to the public, even though its former owner is a well-known figure. Hollywood star Johnny Depp, famous for his role in the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise, once held possession of the island before later passing it into the hands of J.K. Rowling, the renowned author. The island's enchanting beauty seems straight out of a Disney movie, boasting lush tropical vegetation, crystal clear waters, and pristine white sands. Embracing sustainability, the buildings on the island are powered by solar energy, harmoniously blending with the natural surroundings. Adding to its allure, the surrounding lands form part of a vital wildlife refuge, preserving the island's ecological balance and contributing to its mesmerizing charm. As a private paradise hidden from the public eye, Little Hall's Pond Cay stands as a serene haven cherished by its privileged owners. Where? Bahamas. 4. Chichen Itza Pyramid. Where? Mexico. Cost of penalty for visiting: $5,856. Situated in Mexico, the Chichen Itza Temple stands as a revered archaeological site of immeasurable historical significance. While it captivates visitors from afar, the interior of the temple remains strictly off-limits, and climbing the sacred structure is strictly prohibited. In 2022, a high-profile incident brought attention to the importance of respecting this ancient wonder when a woman attempted to climb the temple's side. Spectators reacted with disapproval, expressing their discontent through boos, and the trespasser faced consequences from the authorities in Mexico, emphasizing the gravity of disrespecting this treasured site. Chichen Itza's preservation is paramount, protecting its invaluable contribution to human history and the preservation of its natural wonders. With its rich cultural heritage and the sanctity it holds for the people of Mexico, the temple deserves to be admired from a distance, allowing visitors to appreciate its grandeur without subjecting it to any form of interference. The commitment to safeguarding Chichen Itza ensures that its legacy endures for generations to come, inspiring awe and reverence for the marvels of the past. The 5. Mausoleum of Qin Shi Huang, or the Mausoleum of Qin Shi Huang, housing the remains of the esteemed first Qin emperor. stands as a testament to the man who unified the empire and initiated the construction of the iconic Great Wall of China. Spanning an impressive 20-mile funerary compound, the site has remained unexcavated throughout history for over 2 millennia. The tomb's contents have remained concealed as no eyes have gazed upon its interior. The possibility of booby traps within the tomb adds an air of mystery and caution, dissuading researchers from attempting any intrusive The reluctance to excavate goes beyond the fear of deadly traps. Scholars and archaeologists also harbor concerns about the potential damage to the tomb and the loss of invaluable historical artifacts and knowledge that could result from extensive excavation. Preserving the integrity of this extraordinary site is of paramount importance, as it stands as a window into a significant chapter of ancient China's history, until a time when technological advancements and preservation methods ensure a safe and non-invasive approach. The mausoleum of Quine Shi Huang shall remain respectfully untouched, safeguarding the legacy of a revered historical figure and the enigmatic secrets within. Where? Cost of penalty for visiting. Death, possibly. 6. Lascaux Caves. Enthusiasts of prehistoric history undoubtedly recognize the renowned Lascaux Caves, an expansive network spanning over 84 acres. These mesmerizing caves boast over 600 parietal wall decorations, intricate paintings adorning the cave's interior walls and ceilings. Following World War II, the Lascaux Caves became a popular tourist destination, drawing numerous visitors eager to witness the ancient masterpieces. However, the surging popularity came at a cost. Concerns arose in 1963 when it was discovered that the mere presence of visitors was causing harm to the prehistoric paintings. Sweat and breath of the tourists created damaging humidity and carbon dioxide levels, posing a serious threat to the delicate artworks. In response to the potential degradation of these invaluable ancient paintings, the caves were sealed off to safeguard their preservation. As a result, public access was restricted to protect the pristine beauty of Lascaux's prehistoric wonders, ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at the astonishing artistry of our ancient ancestors. The preservation efforts remain essential in maintaining the historical legacy and significance of the Lascaux. 7. Woomera Prohibited Area. The Woomera Prohibited Area, a significant civil aerospace and military facility operated by the Royal Australian Air Force, maintains a strict veil of secrecy. Off-limits to the public and unauthorized individuals, access to the complex is exclusively granted to those with proper passes and clearance, spanning an extensive area of 47,177 square miles. The Woomera Prohibited Area was designated as a restricted zone in 1947, following its first military trial. Over the years, the facility has been the site of numerous significant experiments and tests, including 9 nuclear tests. In addition, it has witnessed trials of aircraft weapons, drone aircraft, rockets, space technology, and missiles, making it a crucial location for aerospace and defensive missions. The restricted nature of the Woomera Prohibited Area preserves the confidentiality of armed and military activities, ensuring that sensitive information and technology remain safeguarded. The complex's contribution to scientific and defense exploration underscores its significance as a vital center of innovation and national security for Australia, where Australia cost of penalty for visiting $20 fine or 1 year in prison. 8. Room 39. The interior of Room 39 remains veiled in secrecy, devoid of real photos that could shed light on its enigmatic contents. Speculations abound as to what lies within the secretive headquarters of this North Korean organization, which is owned by the Central Committee of the Workers' Party of North Korea in Pyongyang. Allegedly, Room 39 serves as the operational hub for handling the North Korean Slush Fund, a clandestine financial reservoir that draws in an estimated $1 billion or more annually through various criminal enterprises. As a pivotal component of the court economy, Room 39 revolves around the dynastic Kim family, holding a central role in North Korea's enigmatic nation. The shroud of secrecy surrounding Room 39 only adds to the mystique of this elusive organization, as outsiders are left to speculate on its activities and influence. With its covert operations and significant financial impact, Room 39 remains a critical element in deciphering the complexities of North Korea's governance and power structures. Ilha de Queimada Grande, Brazil, cost of penalty for visiting. Death, possibly, located in the treacherous waters of the Atlantic Ocean. Off the coast of Brazil, Snake Island and Queimada Grande is a perilous place that should be avoided at all costs. It is strictly off-limits to visitors due to the presence of the world's deadliest and most endangered snakes. A staggering number of around 15,000 snake species call this island their home, and the 106-acre terrain is teeming with millions of these slithering reptiles. Venturing to Snake Island illegally is a grave risk, as encountering one of these venomous snakes can lead to a devastating and likely fatal bite. Those fortunate enough to survive such an encounter face not only the peril of the snakes but also the consequences from Brazil's authorities. Trespassers who defy the ban on visiting Snake Island face severe repercussions, including hefty fines and, in some cases, a prison sentence. The strict prohibition on entry serves as a crucial measure to safeguard the lives of both visitors and the precious endangered snake population on the island. As one of the most hazardous places on Earth, Snake Island is a stark reminder of the importance of respecting and preserving the delicate balance between humans and wildlife in our natural world. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.